Hello, I'm Terry from Fine Country, and today you join me in the beautiful village of Tingewick, which is local to Brackley, Banbury and Buckingham, also ideal for anybody wanting to commute. But I'm here today to proudly show you this stunning cottage, which is about 30 steps away from a village shop and has a wonderful community around. If you'd like to come inside, I'll give you a tour around. Upon entering the property, you're immediately greeted by a large reception dining room which has ample space for a table to seat 10 guests. The sitting room is full of character with amazing features and a window to the front, but the ideal place to relax after a hard day at work. The inner hall provides access to a cloakroom and a useful study area as well. The breakfast kitchen really is the hub of the home here, with work surfaces, a window out to the rear, but steps down to a lovely dining area. Another very flexible room is the snug, which has stairs rising to its own bedroom above, so this could be ideal as a teenage sitting room with bedroom over, because it also has its own door out to the rear of the property. To the first floor there are 4 bedrooms. The master is without doubt the most interesting proposition. It has an ensuite shower room, but a passage that goes around the master bedroom with a fabulously decorated timber wall provides access to another bedroom that could be knocked through to create a wonderful master suite. There are 3 further bedrooms in this wing of the house, in addition to the main family bathroom. Throughout Jasmine Cottage, there are so many wonderful features like open fires, exposed beams and sash windows. There are some amazing features here outside at Jasmine Cottage, one of them being the rear garden with lovely lawned areas, a feature pond and a raised decking spot which the current owners love nothing more than enjoying al fresco dining on. Another great benefit here is to have off-road parking, which you don't normally get with a cottage of this age. It's a wonderful home with so much possibility. If you'd like to arrange to come and have a look at it, please give me a call. The telephone number is about to follow.